Hello and welcome to my channel. I want to show you this North American species lilies, Lilium wigginsi or wigginsi. This took me 6 years from seed to get it flower, and you can see that there are chlorotic leaves, and it's because it needs acidic soil and it's put in normal soil. So Lilium wigginsi, a beauty. It doesn't flower very quickly like other lilies. They usually flower Asiatics and trumpets in the 2nd year and in the 3rd year, almost all seedlings, but it was worth waiting for this one. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.